Welcome back. Tomorrow is already the final day of July, making it now 2 full months since Atlantic hurricane season began on June 1st. The season actually started even earlier this year with Tropical Storm Anna forming in mid-May. Check this out. So far this year, we've had 5 named storms in the Atlantic. 4 of them reached tropical storm strength. Elsa, though, the most recent one, reached hurricane status, and it also became the earliest 5th storm, or the earliest E storm on the list on record. Since Elsa dissipated on July 14th, though, the Atlantic has gone quiet. Saharan dust, as you've heard us talk about, has partially contributed to the lack of storms over the past couple of weeks. But climatologically, we are still quite early in the season. Typically, activity doesn't really ramp up in earnest until August 1st and beyond. Then hurricane season peaks in the Atlantic around the second week of September. Meteorologist Nick Bannon joins me now here. And Nick, some new technology is in the works to help us improve how we observe these things and how we forecast them.
Yeah, so when a tropical system isn't that close to the United States and it's out of radar range, we typically get our best observations of it using polar satellites that sweep through and scan the storm only about every 12 hours. Now, if a tropical system intensifies more rapidly, which is what we are seeing with climate change, then that 12-hour sweep can miss a lot of its rapidly intensifying characteristics.
Yeah, and seeing things more often is obviously better. So how do these new satellites change that 12-hour window?
Yeah, so instead of the polar orbiting satellites, we're going to have 6 new satellites that do a sweep over targeted areas, especially the Gulf of Mexico, portions of the Atlantic, the Pacific as well. You know, generally the areas that these tropical systems develop and intensify more quickly. And these satellites do a pass about every 30 or 40 minutes compared to the 12 hours. So we get a much better idea what that tropical system is doing more frequently. That information gets input in the various computer models that determine the track and intensity of the storm. And early data from this new set of 6 satellites that will be launched in 2022 suggest a 10% increase in the forecast intensity accuracy and a 15% increase in the accuracy of the track. So we're heading in the right direction with these little satellites. And by the way, they're only the size of a shoebox.
That's crazy. I was going to say, we usually think of big satellites. These are tiny, and there are 6 of them, right?
There are 6 of them, and they're much cheaper to make than the big polar satellites, and they've got some great technology into it. So 2022, we're looking for that.
Small but mighty. Nick Bannon, thank you. We've got a weather blog right now on KXAN.com where you can read all about it.